weighted graph. In weighted graph, each edges are assigned with some numbers. Sometimes these numbers are called as weights as well as costs. Such graphs are used in many real world applications, such as finding the shortest path between 2 points in a transportation or communication network. For example, if you want to travel from Kumta to Hubli, there are many paths are there. Which path is very short one that we have to identify. In that case, we need weighted graph. Or in computer networks, we have to transmit some message from one computer to another computer. In between, there are many routers are there. So between source to destination, there are many paths. Which path is best or shortest, that can be identified using weighted graph. The second real life application is the traveling salesman problem. Like that, there are many many applications are there by which we can solve using weighted graph. Just like normal graph, the weighted graph can also be represented using the two techniques, adjacency matrix and adjacency list. In the first adjacency matrix, if there is an edge between two vertices, in that case we are representing that vertices with some value. For example, if you consider this one is the I and this one is j, between ith and jth element there is a edge having a weight called as 5. So what actually we are doing here is, between A to B there is a edge and its weight is 5. In similar way, there is the edge called as A to C and its weight is 1. So it is nothing but A to C is equal to 1. Since it is a undirected graph, the values are symmetric here. If there is no edge between two vertices, that is indicated by a special symbol called as infinity. For example, see, there is A to D, there is no any separate edge, so A to D is indicated by infinity. C to C as well as D to A, there is no edge, so it is also indicated by infinity. Such graphs are called as weighted matrix. Such matrix are called as weighted matrix or cost matrix. Here, as it explains, if there is an edge from ith to jth vertex, if there is an edge from ith to jth vertex, element aij, here element aij will simply contain the weight between these two vertices. Now this phi is written here because there is a edge which is having a weight 5. Now in weighted graph representation using adjacency list, now this is the way of representing adjacency list. Here each list contains not only the edge name, it also contains, here it not only contains the edge name, it not only contains the vertex name, it also contains the weight. Between A to B its weight is 5. Between A to C its weight is 1. This is the way of representing weighted graph using adjacency list. Each element contain not only the vertex, also the edge between these two vertex.